guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shweta. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and show some love. Today I wanted to review the most hyped skincare product, which is Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. So I am using this product from quite some time, maybe like 3 to 4 months. So I wanted to give you my genuine review. I wanted to share my perspective on this product. So I wanted to tell you what it claims first, and then I wanted to share what is my opinion on this product. Okay. So guys, in their website it says what's in the Advanced Night Repair. It has hyaluronic acid, ferments, antioxidant, peptides, and it also says what's great about this serum. It has it is lightweight, oil-free, non-acnogenic, fast penetrating, free of parabens, sulfates, and concentrated formula. That is what in their website it says. And the other thing, what it does, why we have to use Advanced Night Repair. It says new fast repair, 72 hours hydration, 8 hours antioxidant power, minimized appearance of pores, and skin appear more even tone. So that is what it claims for. Okay, and how to use it? You have to just take it in your fingertips and apply on your face. Okay, you have to take like 2 to 3 drops of it and you have to apply on skin. What else it says? It also says immediate result. 90% said the skin felt softer after 1 week. 93 said the skin felt smoother and hydrated after 3 weeks. 88% said the skin appeared more even toned. That is what it claims for. So now I have used it for almost like 3 months. I was using this smaller bottle, the 7 ml bottle. So I was using it for quite some time. I liked it, so I went ahead and I picked up the bigger bottle. So you get this product in Nykaa or in the Nykaa stores or in Sephora. I think we get it in Sephora also. So I picked up my product from Nykaa store, which is in Indiranagar, Bangalore Indiranagar, and this is quite a hyped product, guys. And also this is a high-end product, so this is quite expensive. And for 7 ml I paid 1200 or 1000 rupees. Now the price has been increased for 1350, and this one also I paid like 3700, I guess. So this is quite an expensive product. So I wanted to give you my opinion and my review, so that if you want it you can go ahead and pick it up. So the first thing what I want to tell you about this serum is the consistency is nice. The consistency is good. When you apply on the skin, it absorbs quickly. So this can be used for drier and the oily skin people. So everyone actually can use this. But the people who has a drier skin, they need to use more product of this. So that is one point you can say. So that is the one point. Okay. And second thing about this product, just give me a moment. I have written everything in the book so that I can share it with you. I don't want you to miss any pointers, so only I have written it in the book. So let me tell you one by one. The first good point of this product is that after me started using it, it actually improves the skin texture. So but you have to use it continuously. You cannot skip this product. At least you have to use this product for more than 1 month, then only you can see the result. It cannot give the result overnight, or it will not give it in 1 week. As per my opinion, as I have used it, I can tell you this didn't give me result in 1 week. I was using the smaller bottle. That bottle I was able to use it for like 15 days. So after that only I went and picked up the bigger bottle. So first, that improves the skin texture. And second thing is that when you apply and sleep on the serum, and when you wake up, it gives nice soft and supple skin, which I liked it. So it looks nicer in the morning. It looks little chubbier. It looks like more healthy in the morning. So that is the second pro. And the third is it actually hydrates so well. It hydrates your skin. Mine is a drier skin, so I go and apply generous amount on my face and I leave it overnight. Okay, so it hydrates my skin. If you have like any patchy or something like that, and actually that will take away. And the other thing which I have noticed, it doesn't claim, but what I have noticed is it actually brightens the skin. Maybe because it actually even outs the skin, so your face actually brightens up. So that is the best part of about this serum that I've noticed in my skin actually. And the last thing is that it actually even out. That is what it claims also, and it does even out, not like drastically, but it does even out the skin. So that is also a good pro. That is the pros of this product. So guys, the second thing is that cons of the product. So I'm sure many viewers wants to know about the cons of this product, as this is quite expensive. Everyone wants to see the review before they go and purchase. So the first con is only it's very expensive. So if you want to try it, go and buy a smaller one. Try it. It will at least come for 10 days. So try it and then go ahead and buy the bigger bottle. And the second con is that you need lot of product. It claims like if you apply with just 1 or 2 drops, it just spread. It absorbs to skin very nicely, but you need more quantity. At least you need like 4 to 5 drops, and then only you can spread on your face, and then only you can apply evenly on your face. So you need more product. Third, which is the most important thing, the third con is that you have to use this very, very continuously. Consistency should be there in this product, because if you stop using this again, it goes back to the normal skin. I completed this bottle and then I didn't get the time to go and buy another bottle. So then my skin went back to normal. It was little dull before, and it went back to the same. So you have to use it like 1 year, 2 years, and I don't know what happens after 2 years, 3 years. So you have to use this product continuously. You cannot stop it. If you get used to this product, you can't stop it. And this is expensive, guys. This is not this is not a drugstore. This is in high end. So you have to go ahead and buy it. If you like it, you cannot stop. So that is actually the biggest con what I felt. It's not like one of those products you use it for 1 month and then it gives you very good skin, it blurs out everything and then it's fine. No, you have to use this product for longer time. So that is the con I felt, and that is my opinion, and that is what happened on my face. So only I'm sharing that with you guys. So overall, I like this. The hype what they've given is actually 60 to 70% it's true, but you have to be consistent with this product. That's the only thing. Otherwise, this is a beautiful product. If you want to try, buy a smaller bottle, try it, and then go ahead and buy a bigger bottle. So that's all I have to tell about this product, guys. Hope you like it. Hope you will like this genuine review. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you want me to review any product, I can review it. Guys, I have just started my YouTube channel, so this is not a brand promotion or anything. So whatever the genuine thought I have, genuine opinion, my perspective, I'm sharing with you guys. So if you like it, please give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and show some love. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching me till now. Love you guys.